My name is Sven Müller from the Robot application. I want to show you offline programming software. It's called RoboPlan. You are able to program your components, check your robot usability of the whole system. We have a robot scene here. And I'm going to show you right now how we create welding seams. We have here a window or a new welding pass. And here you can select your welding parameters. So you can choose from a database. It's very simple. You just have to click where you want to start welding. And it shows where it creates the welding seam. Extend your welding seam as long as you want to weld. To create collision-free welding seams, we have some plate here which has an interference with the seam, and we have this auto pass function. We are checking through the whole pass if there is any collision, and automatically the system detects the best torch angle to avoid collision, and you can see what happens. Start welding. It has stopped here, small plate, and then it restarts on the other side. And then it welds the seam until the end. And here, system detects if there's an arc. There should be a special command for this function.